All right, my stock market chameleon's not working too well this morning, I guess, you guys. So if I miss something, let me know. SQM, let's see. Yep, that looks like one. Thank you. Let's put it up here. All right. Powell keep his seat. What's up? What's up? That's just what. Yes. All right, pull up the market here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay. All right, so let me zoom out a little bit more on the SPY. All right, we're indicating to open over all-time highs right now. A little sketchy because that gives us a lot of room to fall, but we'll see what happens. The Qs are trending up, industrials trending up, SPY trending up. Rates up and trending up. So probably you're going to see the Qs stop in their tracks at some point there this morning and go sideways, if not start to grind down. And oil is now at $75 a barrel, so that's nice. So over the winter, the price of gas in about 3 weeks is going to go down to, let's see, it's my calculator. Yeah, there it is. $3.60 a gallon, plus taxes and surcharges. And then energy is sideways. Consumer discretionary quite up, so that's good for Amazon. Also, could be a decent day for Amazon. We are in Apple long this morning, so we'll take that to the end of the path of victory. So we'll be holding through that. VIX is down to under 18, still a bit high, still a bit elevated. I'd like to see it down around 15, 14, 13. 15 or lower would be really nice. And what else? Bitcoin hit in the 56,000s and is now touching almost 60,000. It's at 59,500. Had a big blip, I guess, that I'm not showing on my other monitor here. Let me try refreshing. That could have been just in the futures. No, there's the blip. I guess it just happened. And it's around 58,700 at the moment. All right, so prognosis, in my opinion, based on all that, and gold down strongly just before the open. So my prognosis on the market for the day today is sideways / a little bit up in industrials and SPY, but probably sideways on tech. So we'll see what happens. We'll see who's right. Me or not me. All right, now what we have on the board today is PRFX, ISPC, ASTR, CEI, SQM, and AFMD. And pretty much right now, ISPC is pegging. I mean, it's just popping highs every moment. So if you want to get into that, you could get into that for a stop at 9.25. It's at 9.75. So 50 cents of risk if you want to start getting into ISPC now. And we've got 23 minutes until the market opens. On ASTR, we're going to be looking for a break of 14 on ASTR. We'll see what the risk is when we come up to it. Yeah, so what is the Powell news? Did he say he's going to keep? Is he going to be kept? That news already out? You want to learn? Okay, well, look, here's my video lessons. You asking? You guys out there in YouTube and Twitch and Periscope and Twitter, say good morning. Say hello. Morning, everybody on TikTok. There, that's the link I'm talking about right there. Just pasted it to you guys. Powell stays. Okay, all right, good. Yeah, that is going to be good for the market. That must be why we have the jump in Bitcoin too. Jump in Bitcoin, drop in gold. Who knows what that's about? And then a jump on the market. It was already trending in this direction. All right. So here comes ISPC already. Once it breaks 10, once it hits underneath 10, take 5 to 20% off of your position if you just got in. There we go. Woo! 1021. What an instant pop there. Who got into ISPC a few moments ago? Oh, there it goes to 1071. Take out another 5 to 20% profits right there underneath the 50-cent level. Yeah, but did anybody grab it when I was mentioning who didn't already have it? That's great. Make sure you guys are taking your profits. Okay, we're coming up underneath 11 on ISPC. Take another 5 to 20% underneath 11. We are now way off of the 20 moving average, so this could be the push, the top of the push. So you might want to err on the side of 20%. And we have 21 minutes into the open. Oh my goodness, ISPC now popping all the way up to 1150. Take 5 to 20% profits underneath 1150. What's popping? ISPC. ISPC. That's probably the end of that push off of the 20 moving average there. ISPC hanging out under 1152, stalling. Likely going to enter consolidation now. Make sure you've taken off your 5 to 20% profits. All right, we're pushing more. 1150, 1160, 1170, 1175. Got a little bit of an extra push there, a little attempt to try to get up to 12. Couldn't quite make it. 1150. And we are falling. 1156. All right, we've been supported by 1150. ISPC. All right, we're back to 1140 on ISPC. $11.35. What's everyone trading today? Roblox, Nvidia. All right, we're trading Intuit, ExxonMobil, Home Depot, Apple. PRFX ISPC, which is really running right now. ASTR, CEI, SQM, and AFMD. Good morning, ATSA. Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, middle of the map. Good morning, John White. Biden picks Jerome Powell to lead the Fed for a second term as the U.S. battles COVID and inflation. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Good morning. If Apple can hold the 161 level, then it is likely to be running all day today. Well, half of the day, minimum. And gold is dropping, so that's good for the market. It looks like hedges are taking out some money to get ready to plant it into the market. I do. Yes, I do teach how to read these charts. Yes. You can go over to my profile and click the website to join our trading community. And then also to learn more, you can follow this link I'm posting now to learn more about trading. So with gold down and rates up and oil down, that should set the market in motion for industrials to go up, to trend up, and for SPY to grind up, and for tech to go sideways. We'll see how that comes out. Real estate also popping a little bit this morning. Financials really on fire, I guess, on those raised rates. Financials, so banks, PayPal, etc., looking really good this morning. Well, I don't know specifically about those, but those are some things that are inside of the financial sector. And we will keep a close eye on tech because tech is strong today, but should come up against the fact that the rates are trending up soon enough here. Buy SQM. If you want in SQM, it'd be best to wait for it to break 70 and get in for $2 of risk per share that you get in. However much you want to risk to lose, we recommend 1% of your portfolio. You divide that by 2, and that's how many shares you can get. Should you get out of Rivian? Oh, probably. Take a look. Yeah, the time to get out of Rivian was at 180. So, if you're still in it, you're either in it for a long time because you don't need that money, or you should exit and put that money somewhere that can make some money. It already hit 180. Was that not good enough for you? Why are you holding it to 120? And Ford and Rivian no longer working together. Yeah, I guess that was probably somebody said, "Why are we teaming up with our competitor?" over at Ford. And they're like, yeah, that's a pretty good point. Let me give them a call. Yeah, deal's off. Ching. Got it at 95, sold it at 180. That's the way to do it. Yeah. All right, here goes ISPC again. For $1 of risk at the breakout of 1175 if we get it. In my opinion, we need some more consolidation. We need to get over to the 8 MA or the 20 MA on the 2-minute chart. A little bit more. We need to get a little bit closer. And in my estimate, that'll be another 20 minutes. But we'll see what when the market opens, because we've got 12 minutes until the market opens. GME had a pretty good day on Friday, so we might want to keep that on watch as well. You never know what can happen with that. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That was the 7th best day on GME all year on Friday. And almost always following one of those good days is another good day. Today, GME may run up to like 260 from here, 230. So that'd be similar, like a stock going from 23 to 26, or $2.30 to $2.60. So not that big of a deal, but you can make some money on it. You guys make sure you click like if you like the TikTok stream. Click like gamer style. Price target on AFMD? No, we're not in it, number one. And once we are, we don't have price targets. We take partial profits all along the way, scaling out. Maybe what you're referring to is when to get in, what price to get in at. And on AFMD, that's at 851. CEI, what do I see in CEI? No, CEI doesn't look good. We are getting close to the 8 MA, which is exactly where ISPC has taken off before. Every time, 1, 2, 3 times, we've hugged the 8 MA on the 2-minute chart and then taken off. So we're getting potentially close to that right now. 10 minutes until the market open. I use Thinkorswim to trade, mostly, but I do recommend Webull if you're starting out. Webull. Yes, correct. Thanks. And if you need a referral link to get some free stocks, we'll both get free stocks if you follow this link there for Webull. Sign up to Webull on that link. There you go. You talking about Palantir? All right, and again, we're in Twitter for a multi, until next or close to next earnings, or when analysts can start upgrading it based on the new income stream of Twitter Blue. We are now in Twitter, and if it were to go down more, let's say to 45, I'd grab another call. If it went down to 40, I'd grab another call. 35, I'd grab another call, et cetera, until it turns around. And I'm getting the February 18s on that one. Again, this morning, our day swings have been posted in the chart traders alert section on our Discord. As you know, they're Intuit, ExxonMobil, and Home Depot, and Apple. And you just got to check those, whether or not they're long or short, and their risk levels. MDT. What about Vonage? No, because that's a buyout, a merger, a buyout. I forget who's buying it. Kind of a dead company. I'm trying to remember. It was like T-Mobile or something is buying Vonage, and so the price is not going to move. It has a particular buyout price that they're buying it for. So there's no day trade available or swing trade available in Vonage because it just pegs to the price that they're going to be bought out at. Slightly lower for the potential uncertainty that the deal doesn't go through. Will Tesla split soon? Yeah, that's just a bullshit rumor. Elon Musk is going to say outright that Tesla will split soon in the future or whatever, whenever he's ready. He has. Are you fucking kidding me that Elon Musk is? Do you think that Elon Musk acts and behaves like he needs to be secretive and hold back and not say what he wants and what he thinks? That he has to hide it in cryptic bullshit messages? Like, do you even know who Elon Musk is? I've been following that guy for 20 years. That's not his behavior at all. If he's going to split, he's going to say it. He's not going to be like, oh, Bork, McNeek, or flop, flop. You guys are retarded, man. Come on. When is Twitter Blue coming? It's already here. Twitter Blue started on in the United States on November 9th, charging $1.99 per person who wants to have basically it's kind of like Twitter Pro. And that's going to add a lot of bottom line to the revenue streams of Twitter. And next earnings, I think will be padded a little bit more than ever before. And I think analysts are going to start to upgrade their marks, their future marks and valuations on it. And right now, Twitter's at a really strong low. So it's a great time to get in because Goldman Sachs is the only one so far who's put in a report since Twitter Blue. And I don't even think they addressed Twitter Blue. Here goes ISPC moving up for the breakout of 1175. If it does, it's a dollar risk if you want to get in, 1175. Let's see if it makes it. $11.38, $11.40, $11.35, $37. We may need to consolidate for a little bit longer here, like I mentioned. We have 5 minutes until the market opens. I'm thinking another 5 or 10 minutes, but probably once the market opens, it's going to pop. It's either going to pop or drop. And at that point, if you're already in it right now, then you're going to want to set a ladder of orders for sell orders, 5 to 10% of your position, just underneath 12, just underneath 1250, just underneath 13, just underneath 1350, just underneath 14. Okay, you don't know how far this thing could pop right at the open if it's going to pop. If it's going to pop, it could just really drive way up there. Or drop, correct. It would drop if everybody what? And I just got violated again for something on the TikTok. Who knows what? What the hell did I say? What? But we got 3 minutes and 45 seconds here. And I'm watching ISPC. Probably the word you said when talking about Elon. Yeah. Oh God. Really? Oh, wow. You know what? Maybe they're starting to automate it. Like maybe you can't even say certain words. Like they're just doing like auto translation. And if you say like offensive words, oh my God, that's just ridiculous. I'm just gonna sit here with a muzzle on. Yeah. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to the open. I'm live on the other platform, so we're looking good here. All right, on Apple, we'll be taking profits underneath every dollar level. And let's go, retards. He said, "Don't be retarded." Yeah, but I wasn't speaking to a particular person, you know. All right, 1 minute and 57 seconds to the open. Must be some moron. Jackson says, "I've been shadow banned for the past few months and still am." Mark G, are you here? Jackson just pulled a and still am. I have been shadow banned for the past few months and still am. Literally. Oh, Roblox just went wild? Okay, what's going on Roblox? What happened? What happened? Uh, no, it didn't just go wild. What the fuck? Who said that? Was that for Oz? Oh, fuck. Mr. Exaggeration. All right, we've got 1 minute and 7 seconds to the open. You want to know what's going wild for Oz? Trade ISPC. That's right, Britain. 38 seconds to the open. And we're watching pretty hardcore. Okay, SQM did come up and around for the breakout just now. SQM, kind of low volume, okay? But the pattern is there, but it's quite low volume. And the risk is $2 for entry on SQM. 10 seconds until the market opens. All right, here comes ISPC. There's the breakout on ISPC. Boom. We are now hitting under 12 on ISPC, and SQM broke out as well. Make sure you take profits underneath every dollar level on SQM if it does so. ISPC's battle of sellers right now. Okay, we're hitting 11.95, $12 ISPC. Apple really pushing to the upside on Apple. We can expect about $2 maybe on this break from Apple. So like 163.50, roughly our ultimate target on Apple. But be sure you're taking profits underneath every 50-cent level. ISPC starting to crap out. If it breaks down at 1075, that's our exit. Let me get the exact level. Yeah, 1075, 1070. Okay, watch yourselves on ISPC. Boy, look at Apple go. What a day swing on that, huh? Who picked up the Apple day swing I posted? I see a lot of hearts on the other calls, but none on the Apple. All right, well, I'm in it. All right, Chris, ready to go. There goes GME. Break to the upside. $6 a risk if you want in on GME. Stop at 230. ISPC is just holding at this level. It's possible that in about 10 or 15 minutes, once it hits the 20 moving average, it might start pushing again. All right, we're getting that full robust move from Apple up to about 163.50 is what to expect. And it looks like the Qs are really on fire, probably in part due to Apple. ISP is halting down, you guys, and halted. Yes, everybody exit. Well, it's halted. So you just got trapped in a halt on ISPC if you weren't watching. Indicating to open at 10:30. And Apple is up to 163 now. I feel 163.50 could be the top of the range. But that's just a feeling and estimate. An estimate would be the best way to say. Yeah, man. All right, SQM is really not moving around much, so but you're still in it if you're in it. All right, Apple with the first pullback. TRT. Are you guys? Did I freeze? Hello? Hello, hello? Oh, computer may have just frozen. It did. I don't know if you guys can still see me. Oh, gonna have to restart my computer. Hello, can you guys see me, hear me? Type something. Yes. Okay, I'm back. All right, great. Wow, look at Apple still on fire, 164 now, following that path of not only a path of victory, but something stronger than the 8 moving average on the 2-minute chart. I mean, we're talking maybe the 5 moving average. Apple super strong on Apple. What was I going to do here? Yeah, make this a little bit bigger. I'm still setting, kind of getting back up and running here. Roblox short for the day, you say? Probably. Loud and clear. Wow, the other things are still going? That's crazy. How did they keep going? Oh, that happens. What were you guys looking at while I was gone? What did it show on screen while I was gone? All right. Wow, look at Apple go. That was huge spike on Apple right now. Remember to take 5 to 20% off beneath every 50-cent level on Apple. That's what we do. 64, almost 164.50 now. Apple hugely on fire. Practically the story stock of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if that was on the news soon here. It was set up to do this. It was set up to break out, and we can expect about a maximum $4 move from Apple. So that would be 165.50 maximum probably. So don't get too greedy. Make sure you're taking profits every 5 to 20% profits underneath every 50-cent level, and we're right here at 164.50 right now. All we have left is 165 and maybe 165.50. We're already in the Apple swing trade, yes, Tyler. That boat sailed a couple days ago. Also, we're in the Home Depot swing, and the ExxonMobil swing stopped out. And I mean day swing, and the Intuit swing day swing. I don't believe it triggered, although I had alerted it, so that was a kind of semi mistake, I think. Didn't really trigger. So anyway, Intuit. Maybe it's coming up now. Maybe it'll actually come up and break the open and continue. So, if you're in it, stay in it, into it. But if you are not in it, don't get in it. That was incorrect. Unless it actually does break the open, then we're kind of like on the right track again. Okay, I'm still setting up here, so still getting my bearings after that crash. ISPC not really doing much of anything. The big move is on Apple. Apple's still going. Apple coming up underneath 165 now. That could be your 5 to 20% profit. Underneath 165 coming up, 164.75. What's a day swing? Here, you have to take my course. That's something I invented called day swinging. Follow the path of victory. Our day swings. Here you go. Learn how to day swing. Here we go. 164.84. Oh, wouldn't you like to know, Michael Brewington? I might talk about that particular pattern in the VIP class Thursday night. So if you're serious, you'll be in the VIP class Saturday night, and you'll potentially learn. You want to ask me that question again Thursday night. For a swing, let's see. Micron for a swing. $60 off and a free month with TradingView during a Black Friday weekend here. I'd have to get one of these because it's normally so damn expensive. I don't remember what level I'm on. $164. Here we go. 165, just about. Okay, so this is where you're going to be taking out another 5 to 20% of your position, and you're going to be almost all out at 165.50. Yeah, Micron looks very good. Maybe not for a swing. It's a little bit too late. You might want to wait for some pullback. But for investment, yeah, it's on the right track now. It is way on the right track. As a matter of fact, around 67, it was an incredible buy. So about October 15th, that was one hell of a good investment entry point. $165.20 on Apple. Do you look at option volume to follow the money? No. No, I don't chase all that kind of shit. No. Chasing rats through an alley. You understand, like day traders are fleas on the dog. You're talking about what are the fleas doing? Let's go follow the fleas. Fuck that. No thanks. Well, unless it's like, a million contracts, that kind of a thing, then yeah, for sure. But even then, no, I don't do that. I trade based on what is going on in the chart. So if you can see it, I'll trade it. If it's not happening, then I don't put my money down. Quote me on that. That's a good one. If it ain't happening, I don't put my money down. That's what it's all about right there. All right, we're getting the pullback on Apple. I don't think we're going to see 165.50. That's it, probably on Apple. But you can keep holding through the path of victory, and I'll get you an all out signal at some point here. It's Apple. It's worth it. Yes. Why did you sell your Apple? We're in Apple on the swing. We have swing on Apple, and then we're also just day trading Apple today as well. Jizu on Roblox. If you're still holding Roblox, that doesn't look too good. That is quite the crap out on Roblox run. All right, let's see what Apple can do with this little push that's going on right now off of the AMA. This might give us a failed retest. What happens here? Okay, we're coming all the way back up on Apple. Remember to take profits underneath 165. Excuse me, 165.50. If this breaks out, 65.25, it's probably going to go right up underneath 165.50. Meet a little resistance, and that'll be where you can take your probably one of your final profit targets. Okay, and it was a failure. So 164.80 is going to be your all out. 164.60 is going to be your all out on Apple at this point. So if we get back down to 164.60, boom, you get to exit your entire Apple. Excuse me. So 164.60, that would be the point in which we exit Apple. Next breakdown on Roblox is new low of the day. New LOD. NLOD. Does Roblox dip and rip or keep dropping? It's not a fucking mystery. Why did Roblox drop? Not because something incredible news came out about Roblox and it's going to rip. You tell me. Why would Roblox rip? There's no reason why Roblox would rip. If you're going to do a rip and dip, there has to be a news catalyst. Definitely not a mystery. Yeah, it's got a long ways to go, my man. It found bottom at 125. If it can break down at 125, then it's going to keep going. But I mean, this is already a big enough move for you to be happy about. I mean, 125 looks to be a pretty good support level on Roblox, so that might be about it on Roblox. Okay, Apple bullish wedge. Looks like it's about to break out, 165.25. The high, here it comes. And the volume is picking up as we get really close. We have some people jumping the gun at 122. I mean, 165, 22, 23, 24. We touched 25. We went through to 28 just now. All right, so that is a breakout, but it wasn't on a lot of continued volume. 25, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 24, 25. Okay, we're fighting for this level of 165.25. We hit 165.33. Make sure you've got your order in to sell most of your position underneath 165.50. That is the estimated max move. But it can still go further, so you don't want to, sell everything. But up to this point, you should have hit many profit targets. We got into this pre-market at 161.50, correct, everybody? Yes. $10.15. 10 to 10.30. With 10.15 being the peak. It's kind of key reversal territory. ISP is just like holding that 11.25 level. But you guys should have been stopped out, hopefully, around 10.75. 165.40. All right, so now we're getting really close to where you want to be hitting your profit target on Apple. 65.41 is what we hit. I think 43 to 47. Those are all. That's a nice region. Not too greedy. 41.5. The torso, yeah, big volume insider buying. I find curious. 165.55. We just blasted through the 50s with a pickup in volume. $165.60. And there it is. That was it. He's pulling back now. 530. I mean, we can't say for sure. But 165.50 is a lot of progress in one day for Apple. A lot. Getting, from 161 to 165, 161.50 to 165, 60. What was that? 165.60, 50. That's what, $4 or $5. Auto market cap. Yeah, that's on the big side. $5 is probably the biggest move on Apple per day. Maybe $6 maximum, like in history. Here, let's just take a look at a chart on Apple. You can get an idea. This huge day, which I don't even see on this chart in recent history, this huge one here was 153 to 158.50. So that's $5.50. That was like a max day. Today we've done 161.50 to 165.50. So that's $4. So it's possible to go another $1.50. To hit the absolute massive upside. But I mean, on average, this is definitely a very large range on Apple. In fact, here comes Apple trying to test that number, trying to test again. We might be going even further. So if you've got a little bit left, you still have a little bit to play with. Running. But the nice thing is your all-out stop has been completely raised to 164.60, okay? All-out stop is 164.60 based on pivot point trading. 164.60. So you're not going to lose any gains past 164.60. But you got to keep taking profits every 50-cent level. So here we are at 165.50-ish. You need to be taking those profits if you haven't already in the 165.50 level. And we may push up to 166. So, you got to take some profits underneath 166. No, just a day trade, Michael. We're just talking day trade. How Apple behaves in the afternoon session will be how it continues potentially tomorrow. So from noon to 4, like 12:30 to 4, we'll give you an example of whether Apple will hold through tomorrow or if, this is some kind of top. And that can help inform our swing trade as well. It looks like Home Depot has topped out. For those of you in the Home Depot trade, you'll have a neckline breakdown at 413.30 on Home Depot for the day swing. I wonder if that's what happened with the live stream this morning. Check back onto that live stream. Can't believe that. They should tell you like what word. I mean, it does say hateful behavior. Oh, here's something. Yeah, I bet you that's it. Uses or includes slurs unless the terms are reappropriated. Used self-referentially, such as in a song, or do not disparage. Praises, promotes, glorifies, or supports hateful ideology. Dehumanizes a group on the basis of protected attributes. Is retardation a protected attribute? This is fucking hilarious. Okay, submit appeal. They're probably going to say, no, man, you said what you said. It's true. Yeah, but I mean, listen to the context, dudes. I wasn't saying that about anybody. I'll find out soon enough. Okay, Apple coming up and around. This could be good if the breakout happens here because we'll be able to raise our stops. If we get this breakout right now, 165.70, it's happening. Come on. Oof, almost happened. Then we can raise our stop to 165.35. That's really awesome. Nice and tight. I used it as a verb, not a noun. What did I say? It would be retarded? Or how do you say retarded as a verb? I retarded you? Go retard yourself? How do you use a retard as a verb? I don't think I use it as a verb. But I didn't get banned on any of the other platforms. Wow, Go EV with quite a run right now. Go EV really spiking. GOEV. Is that one we have or we have EV Go? Yeah, we have EV Go. Damn. Go EV really running right now. What's the fucking difference? All right. Apple pulling back. Exit. That's neckline breakdown. Exit Apple. And I'm talking about the day trade, not the fucking swing trade. Exit Apple. We need to watch the whole second session today to know what to do with the swing. Exit Apple on your day trades. All right, this is the first time Apple's broke the 8MA on the 2-minute chart. So as far as moving averages go, that trend is over. The strength, that's the end. And then neckline breakdown. I mean, there's just so many reasons to have exited at 165.35 right here. It does not mean you can short Apple. I don't know what people think that. I mean, I would have to say that counter trend trading is some kind of retarded bullshit. I'm gonna have to stop saying retarded. I don't even say that word much in the first place. Jesus. Yeah, that's right. Yes. So I stream on YouTube every day. Yes, I do. Yeah, just about every day. Yeah. Jesus. Yes. Cisco Systems is on a run to fill the gap. ESM is breaking and running. That Intuit trade's not working out. I recommend you exit if you're in it. Intuit. That was truly a non-trigger. I'm going to go right. Everybody get out of that. They swing exit. Well, first of all, Apple. Congrats on big gains. Anybody got some big gains they can print on Apple, percent-wise or dollar-wise? Go ahead and put it in the post your gains section. Made $740 off of Apple today. All right. Made a small 740. No, it's not definitely not small, I would say. Final chance to get out of Apple at a good price. You guys over on YouTube, what happened when my computer crashed? We see your screen. So GME just grinding up. If anybody had GME, uh, maybe it'll keep grinding up all day. Follow the path of victory. That was like where was it? Dollars of risk at the entry, and moving along. Right now the stop is 231. A screen with a name across it. We hear you, but your charts were black. We saw the Zoom screen from someone, not the host. Yeah, I don't know. RJ, did you take over the stream? I didn't give you. I don't think you have automatic co-host access. So I'm going to call TSM swing trade here, but it is $10 of risk. TSM swing trade. ISPC is breaking out again? Oh, shit, I'm not showing that on my screen. You talking about ISPC? Who said that? What was that? Oh, BLMN. Okay. Or hey, are you sure you got stopped out? Because if you follow the path of victory, maybe you wouldn't have been stopped out. Would have. I'm just double checking. Oh yeah, no. There's no reason to exit TSM. I'm not seeing any exit here on TSM. No exits. Need to learn pivot point trading, path of victory, using 2-minute charts. Time for you to brush up on those on the market mastery. Let's drop Jorge a link. Buddy. Like, I got it. I'm already signed up. Yeah, but get in there and check out that path of victory again, and you'll see what you did wrong. On TSM, there was no reason to exit. All right, I got all that, and now HD, we're out of ExxonMobil. Shouldn't have gotten into. We're out of Apple. We're still in HD. So you guys should still be in the Home Depot swing, day swing if you're in it. But the stop has moved up to the neckline of 413.30. And then, yeah, of course, Apple is breaking down. Good trade on Apple, guys. Good trade on Apple. Way to hustle. Ah. Oh, Square was a short today. Shit. Missed that one. Perfect. It was a perfect setup short. Absolutely would have been short. Too bad we missed that one. MA was a short. I don't know if I alerted that. I think maybe on Friday I possibly did. MasterCard's a short today. Target was short. Yep, that would have been perfect. 250 to 246 already. There goes Apple. Pulling back hard. So now for us, I start to get ready to do that something similar to like that video I sent you. Because I sold some calls at the top there. Rely popped with news of promotion of a guy to vice president. Doesn't seem like big enough news, but let's take a look. Yeah, that's not a lot of volume from what I'm seeing. But that was a pop, yeah, from 2 to almost 3. A pretty big pop. Good for people who are holding. Not the greatest day trade because the spreads are looking kind of wide. Might be something there. Post your gains. All right. So Jorge says he got 693 on Apple. Nice. Let's see some more of those Apple gains. VIP chat. Netflix nearing stop for what? A swing trade that we have? There's no reason to get out of TSM. $120 strike call on TSM. December monthlies. Tesla might hit 2K. Well, yeah, I mean, if they split. Thoughts on Lucid? No, and Relay. Wow, look at Relay go. It certainly has taken off while we were just taking a look at it. 2.8 to 3.4 already. What's the volume like on that? Let's see. Does not look too great. It isn't that great, but the price is moving. It must be an extremely low float. So a little bit sketchy. Probably 15 cent to 30 cent drops. Hit it. Go ahead. Relay. I don't know how reliable it is. All right, I'm going to call our morning session there. Very interesting stuff. Very interesting day. See what else I can find. I'll post about it, and we can get in it over through the 1.1. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, great Monday. Hopefully you guys, pay attention to my chart traders alerts. I had that Apple day swing posted pre-market. Okay, and then we were talking about entering on the market open as well and in the pre-market live show. So don't know how anybody didn't get into that Apple. But if you did and you made some money, please go post it in there. Post your gains. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.